Okay, so my presentation will be on the excitation-contraction coupling. Skeletal muscle fiber is surrounded by the sarcolemma, and action potential triggers the release of calcium from the cisternae of the sarcoplasmic reticulum through the ligand-gated ion channel. Permeability of the SR changes, and the calcium concentration in and around the sarcomere reaches a resting time. Troponin is what blocks the active sites because it is bound both by actin and tropomyosin, which prevents the interaction of both thick and thin filaments. Calcium, when bound to troponin, weakens its bonds to actin and tropomyosin. Troponin then changes position, pulling the attached tropomyosin strand away from the active sites. This is when the contraction cycle begins. Contraction cycle enables muscle contraction. When tropomyosin is pulled away from active site, this allows interaction with the energized myosin heads, thus the cross-bridge formation begins. Now the energy that was stored in the resting state is released and the myosin head pivots toward M-line. This movement is called the power stroke. This causes the bound ADP and phosphate group to be released. Now cross-bridge attachment occurs. ATP binds the myosin head, and this causes the bond between the myosin head and the actin to break. Myosin reactivation then occurs when the free myosin head splits ATP into ADP and phosphate.